Lights, what's up? Today I am going to talk about the leading Chinese anime I've watched in my entire life, which has only 2 seasons out, season 1 and season 2, and masterfully blends emotional storytelling, supernatural elements, creating a grip for the narrative that keeps viewer engaged throughout the seasons. If you talk about the season 1, the series kicks off with the introducing of the two main characters. I am bad at pronouncing, so I am not pronouncing the name, but if you say, I will do it. Cheng Xiaoxi Lu Guang, who runs the time photo studio, which came across with the peoples who wanted to relieve that moment or trying to solve a mystery kind of something. Their unique ability to enter the photographs and the experience the past sets the stage for emotionally charged stories. The first case involving a grieving mother immediately showcases the emotional depth and consequences of their actions. The series delves into the mechanism of their abilities. Xiaoxi's impulsiveness contrasts with Lu Guang's cautious, highlighting the risk of altering the past, which is prohibited for them in the future. The emotional weight of their missions becomes more apparent that they navigate complex situations as a group. The duo investigates a case involving a basketball team, revealing themes of regret and flittering. Just like that, Xiaoxi's empathy drives him to be changes and leading to unintended consequences. One. Xiaoxi's personal history intertwines with their missions, blurring the lines between the professional duty and the personal desires. The episode explores the dangers altering the past, Xiaoxi's actions threaten to disturb the timeline. A case involving a missing child test teams involved. The emotional intensity peaks as they confront the harsh realities of their work. The series undercovers the importance of the potential fallout of interference. The tension rises as the consequences of the past interventions came to light. The team's unity is tested, and the series sets the stage for the season's climax. As you talk about the duration is 25 to 30 minutes, and there is 2 seasons. Season 1 have 10 episodes, and season 2 have 12 episodes, which is always keep you on your chair's edge, because if you binge watch one season in a day, and I bet you are watching both seasons in a day, I am by your side. If you talk about season 2 right now, it is deepening the mystery because it has the storytelling prohibition of altering the past, which is prohibited their present as well as their future. It opens up the aftermath of the Lu Guang stabbing chain. It's a spoiler. Cheng Xiaoxi's emotional breakdown in presence as a student moment, showcasing the depth of their bond. The season reveals the event from the different perspectives, providing context and depth to the narrative. While some felt that the repetition was excessive, it effectively builds the suspension and enriches the character's development, which I really like the most. If a series core mechanism, the series involves a new case that intertwines with the overarching narratives, the team's dynamic evolve as they comfort the challenge itself. Delving into the focus shifts to the funerals and other loss and grief moments, which unrolls more mystical events. Reflections through some found certain elements engaging and some found it bore, but I found it engaging. The series weaves together multiple narratives highlighting the interconnected of characters' lives. The storytelling is integrated and the emotional resonance is profound. As their adaptability to put the test, the episode emphasizes the importance of trust and quick thinking in the face of adversity. The series brings the tension to the head with confections that challenges the characters' beliefs and relationships. The stakes are higher than ever. A powerful conclusion that the series' themes of friendship, sacrifice, redemption, emotional payoff is immense, leaving a lasting impression on the viewers. Link Lake is masterfully balances the emotional storytelling with integrate plotliness, creating a series that resonates deeply with its audience. The evolution from the cases to the narrative enriches the viewing experience, offering both heart-wrenching moments and thrilling suspenses. What were your thoughts and opinion? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.